today I'm going to be doing chicken drumsticks in breadcrumbs. Now, there's a lot of issues people have with breadcrumbs. They end up with like great big gnarly bits all over their fingers when they're doing it. There's a trick. Wet hand, dry hand. And we're going to show you that right now. So, in our bowl here, we've got a dozen chicken drumsticks. They've just got a little bit of milk in there just to, it makes the meat a bit softer, and at the same time it helps the ingredients stick. Here we've got plain flour, a little bit of seasoning. I've got some oregano, a little bit of paprika, salt, pepper. I just need to mix. 4 eggs, some panko breadcrumbs. This may be enough, you may need more, but I've got some more over there. A tray to go in the oven, which I've lined with paper just to make it easy to clean up afterwards. Right, so let's start with the first one. These are the magic hands of my wife. First one in there. Wet hand, dry hand. Wet hand. Dry hand. And that can go there. Clean, not covered in goo. Half an hour in the oven, gave them a turn. Beautifully crispy. Just to make sure they were cooked, I grabbed a thermal probe, whacked them in. Thermal probe was reading 95 degrees C, so we know we're good. Another bit of corn, a few peas, bit of fresh chopped tomato and cucumber, all nice and healthy, and then some hot chips. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.